Once again friends, we are here. Let's have a quick unboxing of most awaited and popular mobile Redmi 6 Pro. This product has very magnanimously attracted the attention of the buyers because of its some unique features and build quality. The body is aluminium made and the edge finishing is super flawless. I'm a damn lover of black color gadgets, but in this case I cannot help going for the red one because you can see the color is so vibrant. Redmi 6 Pro has 5MP secondary camera with Samsung sensor and 12MP primary camera with Sony sensor. You can easily have the feature of bokeh mode here. It has fingerprint sensor too. But the most attractive feature of this phone is it has a notch screen and has a specially made dedicated SIM slot, which is not a hybrid SIM slot. And here you can use 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card, which is expandable up to 256GB storage capacity. However, let's get started with the unboxing. The packaging quality once again is not so good. We understand there is a rush due to the Great Indian Festival offer from the house of Amazon, because of which Amazon is not paying attention towards its packaging, which is very important to cover up the public impression. The box itself is quite impressive. It's very much impressive. And this is the bill. I had to pay 9899 under the offer. Now let's open the plastic wrapper of the box. And this one is a 332GB red variant. The product, I want to see what is inside the box. Yes, you can see the price, 11,499 rupees. But I had to pay only 9899. Let's open the wrapper. And this one is a India made product. This is the sealing of the box. Let's cut the sealing now. Wow, this is amazing look. The look is very nice. Oh my goodness, the color is so vibrant. And this one is the silicone case cover, which is provided in the box. And here is some quick startup guide. Let's give it a side. This is the charger, 2.1 milliampere. This one is very good, and this is the data transfer cable and charging cord. So let's have a look at the unit. Redmi 6 Pro, 12MP and 5MP dual camera, and this one is the quality is awesome quality, and the body is aluminium, and the color has matte finish. Dual speaker is looking like Apple, and I think that the screen ratio 19:9 is very good. And let me show you the dedicated SIM slot here. Here you can see that you can use 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card simultaneously. So in its previous model, Redmi never supplied this kind of facility, and in this case we can get the facility here. We can use 2 SIMs altogether, and the expandable chip. Let's open it. It has started. MIUI 9 version it has. And let's have a quick startup. The silicone back case very nicely fit to the unit. Here I am using it, you can see. And you can see one thing that the back cover that we buy from the market is not so gorgeous, and here everything is up to the point and the look is very big. Okay friends, today up to here. Let's we meet once again in our next session, and up to there be happy and enjoy. Happy Durga Puja.